Students, dear students, as we have done the curious Kiwi reading as well as we have done its comprehension, further we have also discussed its exercise meaning and context. Dear students, today we are going to switch the next exercise. It's question number 2. It is again meaning in question, meaning in context, the part of the meaning in the context. See here, they have given us choose the best explanation for each expression as used in the passage. The first one, they have also given you 3 options for each statement. The first one, lie up in hiding, and you will find its meaning in L4. It means in line 4 you will find its meaning. So let's check. Yes, students, it is here lie up in hiding where enemies have no hope of finding. So here, what is the meaning of the line? Yes, stay out of sight. Whenever the Kiwi want to hide, it means it is just going to stay out of the sight of its enemies. Okay, see the next, gives them a cloak of invisibilities. Cloak means to cover, or cloak means to cover or to conceal. So what's in which line we will find its meaning? In line 6. Let's check. See here, it is gives them a cloak of invisibility while they sleep. It means when they sleep, they conceals themselves, isn't it? It means the correct option is camouflage. Option B, camouflages them so that they are difficult to see. In order to be invisible from the eyes of their enemies, they conceal themselves so that animals find difficulty to see them, or or their enemies could not identify them. See the next, to their heart's content. You will find this in line 8. Okay, as you have learned that they scratched the forest ground and found the worms and the gerbs to their heart's content. This is just like the line at the back of the page. I'm not turning it out. Let me tell you its meaning over here, that they find or they have that larvas of the beetles or the worms to their satisfaction. Understand? The correct option is to their satisfaction. Yes, students, see that part D. It is at the best of times. You will find this phrase in line 13 and 14. Let's see. See here, line 13 and 14. Here you will find it. The Kiwi's sight is poor at the best of times, but his sense of smell is acute. It means in the favorable times. In the favorable times, its eyesight is poor. Let's discuss its meaning. Let's see its options as well. Even when the moon is highest in the sky, at the best of times, even on the happiest day, even in the most favorable circumstances. So this is what the correct option, at the best of times, means even in the most favorable circumstances. So it's about Kiwi. Its eyesight is poor, and at night it used to use its abilities, that is it used its prop like long bill and scratch the forest ground and find its food. Okay, now see part E. Out he goes like a candle. You will find its meaning in lines 27. Where's line 27, 20, and there is the last line. And see here, they are saying the Kiwi's chance of survival, because his undoubted talents are useful to him only under special conditions, and if those conditions are not maintained, out he goes like a candle. It means he goes like a candle, that with the passage of time he will die, or he will vanish from a sight. Vanish from sight means गायब हो जाना, नज़रों से गायब हो जाना. He will die instantly, यानी because kiwi used to have the special abilities, and it used to live, its habitat is forest, and if the forest is fell for the cultivation purpose, then what will happen? Slowly and gradually the kiwi will also extinct like the moose. So the correct option is the B, it is he will die instantly. Now see here, the next exercise is choose the best answer. Now I am going to read it out and tell you the correct option. What makes kiwi difficult to see or detect in their natural surroundings? So see, their ability to find good hiding places, their habit of sleeping during the day, their dull light brown plumage, or their poor vision. What makes kiwi difficult to see? What makes kiwi difficult to see, यानी क्या उनको what makes the kiwi difficult to see और डिटेक्ट इन देयर नेचुरल सराउंडिंग्स, मतलब उनको क्या ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं कि द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट इट कैन नॉट फ्लाई, ठीक है, बट एंड द अदर इज़ इट हैज़ पुअर आई साइट. सो what will be the correct option? Their poor vision. Okay, let's see the next one. It is, what do kiwis do at night? Yes, they go into hiding, they sleep, they look for their enemies, or they look for food. Yes, the correct option is D, they look for food. Okay, what's the next? Which statement is true? The kiwi has good eyesight but a poor sense of smell. No, it's wrong, because kiwi has poor eyesight and good sense of smell. Let's see the next. The kiwi has good eyesight and good sense of smell. Again wrong. The kiwi has poor eyesight and a poor sense of smell. It is again wrong. Now last option. The kiwi has poor eyesight and a good sense of smell. As you have learned in the chapter that poor eyesight, kiwi has poor eyesight and it smells the smell of the what we can say, yes, worms. It smells worms very quickly, and it has very sharp sense of smell. So it has poor eyesight but sharp sense of smell. So D is the correct option. So let's see the next one. It is, which statement is false? The kiwi has a long probe-like bill. Yes, it's true. Let's see the next. Option B, its nostrils are at the base of the bill. Base of the bill. Base of the bill means this side. Here, see, kiwi has nostrils over here, not here. The base of the bill means over here. So let's see the next. Okay, so B is the false option. Okay. Okay. Now see the next one. The kiwi's chance of survival is reduced when we clear its habitat for farming. Yes, it's true. The kiwi's chance of survival is reduced. यानी वो जो कीवी के जो ज़िंदा रहने के जो chances है हम खुद ही वो remove कर रहे हैं. Why? Because we are cutting off the trees from the forest, and as a result, by clearing its habitat for farming, we are just reducing its chances for survival. So option A is the correct one. See students, the next is answer these questions. I'm not going to read out all these questions, although I have done all the question answers. I'm sending you its pic, so do it in your copy. Is that clear? And if do you have any difficulty, please discuss. So these all are what question answers I'm sending you in the form of the image. Thank you so much. If do you have any difficulty, rather than going anywhere, feel free to discuss with Ms. Rosina.